SailPoint will be bringing back its Identity TV and Developer Days events, focusing on identity security in a rapidly evolving digital threat landscape. Identity TV will feature key voices in identity security, discussing innovations and insights to help organizations strengthen their identity posture, while Developer Days is aimed at global identity practitioners looking to explore the possibilities offered by SailPoint's platform. Identity TV 2025 will offer practical solutions and insight to help organizations address the growing sophistication of cyber attacks, regulatory pressures, and the prioritization of identity security by business leaders. The event will feature Chandra Gnanasambandam, SailPoint's new EVP of Product and Chief Technology Officer, who will share his perspective on enterprise cybersecurity priorities and how SailPoint is reimagining identity security. Attendees will also get an inside look at SailPoint's product and customer experience innovation and momentum, as well as explore the company's insights on innovation in AI and risk mitigation. Speakers from organizations such as Accenture, CareSource, Devon and Cornwall Police, UK, GXS Bank, Hearst, Mainline Health, PwC, and Telenet will also share their identity journeys. Developer Days 2025 is a conference organized by SailPoint for technical identity professionals who are looking to extend the company's platform beyond its standard features. This year's event will feature keynotes from SailPoint product leadership, showcase hands-on technical solutions and innovations like Harbor Pilot, offer tailored sessions for every skill level, host roundtable discussions with industry experts on key topics such as AI in identity security and enterprise security through the lens of identity, and provide demonstrations of SailPoint's developer tools. SailPoint also recently launched its first software-as-a-service instance in the Middle East. This marks an important milestone in SailPoint's ongoing commitment to the region and aims to provide organizations with secure, regionally hosted access to its industry-leading identity security platform, SailPoint Atlas. The move is designed to meet the growing demand for robust identity security solutions across key markets worldwide. SailPoint has introduced updates to its identity security cloud this quarter, focusing on areas such as machine identity security, data access security, AI, application onboarding, and connectivity. These new capabilities are designed to address the escalating complexity of managing identities and securing data. Additionally, SailPoint has launched a customer success program offering tailored expertise, flexible engagement, and an integrated approach to identity management and security. SailPoint has introduced machine identity security to address the growth of machine identities outpacing human identities in the next 5 years, according to their Horizons of Identity Security report. The company's new AI machine identity discovery will scan key applications and identify accounts that meet machine identity indicators for continuous visibility and daily insights into newly discovered machine accounts. This feature aims to help organizations proactively address security risks related to a lack of visibility into machine accounts. Additionally, SailPoint has launched the Machine Account Migration capability, which simplifies transferring machine accounts from non-employee risk management to proper MIS governance. In terms of data access security, SailPoint has made updates including automated data ownership election and new activity monitoring for network-attached storage solutions. There have also been new features introduced to its application onboarding capabilities. The AI-powered feature streamlines the SaaS application process by helping customers discover, manage, and secure their applications across diverse environments for faster time to value. It now supports Microsoft Entra ID and Ping1 for seamless application discovery. Users can customize default thresholds for application discovery for greater flexibility and control. Additionally, a new direct integration with SAP Cloud Identity Access Governance has been launched to enhance user access management and compliance within SAP ecosystems. SailPoint's Success Acceleration Service packages aim to maximize identity security investments by maturing identity programs, achieving regulatory compliance, and enhancing operational efficiency. For more on crypto and stocks, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.